Okay, graph the equations. We got y equals 3x plus 2. So again, here's x, here's y. Positive side of x with the 0 in the middle. Here's the negative side of x. 0 in the middle of the y. Here's the positive side. Down is the negative side. So y equals 3x plus 2. 3 times x plus 2. So x is the independent variable. I go 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2. You can start with negative 2 if you want to. It doesn't matter. So 3 times x plus 2, 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 3 times x plus 2. So 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2. So 3 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 plus 2, 5. 3 times 0 is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3, plus 2 is negative 1. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, plus 2 is negative 4. Okay? So 2, 8. So forward 2. And then y is positive, so I'm moving up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That coordinate is 2, 8. Okay? Okay, when I substituted 1 in, I got 5. So I go forward 1, and then positive 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 1, 5. Okay? 0, 2. So 0's in the middle, but I got to go up to positive 2. 1, 2. And that is 0, 2. Okay, negative 1, negative 1. So I move backwards 1, but now I'm moving down because down is negative. Negative 1. So it's negative 1, negative 1. Then negative 2, negative 4. So I'm going backwards 2, and then negative 4 is down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So negative 2, negative 4. Okay, and that's continuous because I can put decimals in just like whole numbers into the equation. Okay, then the next one, y equals negative 1/2 x plus 6. It means times x. For those keeping score at home. And then 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2. So negative 1/2 times x plus 6. 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 So 2. Half of 2 is 1, but negative half of 2 is negative 1. And then forward 6 is 5. Negative 1/2 times 1 is negative half. And then negative 1/2 plus 6 is 5.5. Anything times 0 is 0. 0 plus 6 is 6. Okay. Think of it. 5 and 6, what's halfway between them? 5.5. Okay. And we'll put negative 1. That's positive 1/2 plus 6 is 6.5. And I'm not sure about you, but I think 7 just might be the last one. Okay, so x, y, positive, negative, positive, negative. So x is 2, y is 5. So I go forward 2 because 0, it's like x is like a number line, forward 2. And so is a y for that matter. It's just positives up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like an upside down number line. 2, 5. 1, 5.5. So I'm forward 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's even higher than 5. So 1, 5, and 1/2. Okay, is how that's labeled. 0, 6. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0, 6. Okay. Negative 1, 6.5. So negative 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.5. Okay, they're close together. They really are. Negative 2, 7. So how would you do negative 2 on a number line? 1, 2 backwards, and positive 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and that is negative 2, 7. Okay, there you have that. Example 3, y equals negative 2x plus 6. So 2 times x plus 6. We always want the y by itself. Now there is a much quicker way to graph these, but we're not going to learn it till you need to see the idea before you learn it. Otherwise the shortcut makes no sense. 2, 1, some of you are like, oh, there's an easier way. Why aren't you teaching it? I will, okay? Negative 2 times x plus 6, 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 negative 2 times x plus 6. Actually, fine, I'll teach it on the last one. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 plus 6 is 2. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2 plus 6 is 4. Negative 2 times 0 is 0. That's 6. I'm not sure, but I'm guessing we're going to get an 8, and we're probably going to get a 10. Okay? Since negative 2 times negative 1 is 2 plus 6 is 8. Okay? Alright, x, y, positive, negative, positive, negative. So positive 2, positive 2. So I go forward 2, and then y is up 2. Remember, the x is no different than a number line. X, 1, 4. Forward 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. We've been using number lines since about the first week of school, so you should be pretty proficient in using it. 0, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 1, 8, backwards 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then negative 2, 10, backwards 2. 10's off the graph, so heck with it, okay? Could say another word, but this is a video made for children. When I publish it, every one of these videos I have to click whether it's made for children, okay? Otherwise they put it on restricted. Oh, wait a second. I did the wrong example, didn't I? Okay. Yeah, I should have done negative 5x plus 2. Oh, well, that's fine. Okay. So here on the assignment, I'm going to switch this. Okay. So y equals negative 5x plus 2. And then we'll switch that to negative 2x plus 6. How about that? Okay. Now I'm going to show you a little shortcut here, but I do not want you using it until we're through this unit, okay? And I have taught it formally. To use a shortcut, you need to start with the negatives, okay? Now here's what you're going to do. You're going to mentally calculate your 0. What's anything times 0? It'd be 0, right? Okay. Minus 2 would be negative 2. Okay. It's right there. So essentially it's just a number not multiplied by the x. Now, x is multiplied by negative 4, so it's going to go backwards 4 every time because it's negative 4. If it's positive 4, it'd go forwards 4, but negative is backwards. So negative 6, negative 10. Now what do you think? Now I'd start thinking, okay, where would I have to be at on a number line to go backwards 4 and then end up at negative 2? Well, I'm guessing 2. Where would you have to be Where would you have to be to go backwards 4 and end up at 2? Well, 6. Okay, so that's a quick way you can do that. You can mentally calculate the 0 and then move either forwards or backwards by what this is. Backwards because it's negative. Backwards 4, and then up here, I'm going in reverse order, so I'm thinking forwards 4, okay? Don't use that if it made no sense. Don't even use that. I want you doing the tables. So x, y for now. Positive, negative, positive, negative, okay? Okay, so negative 2 backwards 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Backwards 1, and then positive 2, that's up. 0, negative 2, I stay at 0 and then I go down because that's where the negatives are at for y, okay? Then 1, 6, forward 1, down 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm obviously not going to be able to make it to negative 10, so that's going to do it.